it has to be made easier so that
Right.
events can easily take these connections as an far tanga जशे गरज पडटा
they
ते
have to
प्रमाणे
make
use
it
करू शकता.
more easy or friendly or one window operation or something
System
like
like
that. Because now if you see, even for preparation of the event, if at all we are on the ground, if at all we are in the hotel, it's okay because we get to test our lights and all, we can use it and to operate the whole night. आमकां काम करूंक light basic light आसा. But आमी सो ग्राउंडार तो काम करता. ग्राउंडार आमकां जनरेटर आख्खी रात चलोवचो पडटा.
2-3 दीस प्रोडक्शन असेल 2-3
Yeah,
जनरेटर चालू
Because we have exhibitions for 4 days. 4 days we have to run the generator throughout the night because there are refrigerators. Some stalls have got refrigerators. There is food inside, so we have to run throughout the night. Security light has to be there because otherwise everything becomes darkness. It becomes a security problem. And basic light for making it workable. So 24-hour generator one is fixed, running throughout the night. So if government could step in and say, okay, we'll give you working light and security light, it will be a great relief for events. So this is one small step if at all the government would come in and subsidize the rate, of course, obviously.
For the commercial use.
For commercial use means to say that, okay, we'll give you only this much for, depending on the magnitude of the event. But tumka ami itle KVA dita, izale. So you all use it so that you don't run the generator and have pollution which is running throughout the night.